Welcome to Artech House. We're an innovative art space dedicated to showcasing artists who use technology to create. Our story began in Washington, D.C., where we opened our first permanent location in the summer of 2017, inviting the public into a one-of-a-kind art space where art, science, and technology come together. In 2018, we created a home for digital art in the heart of Miami Beach. And in 2019, we brought the first digital art space to New York City's Chelsea market, transforming a 100-year-old boiler room into a destination for 21st century art. At Artech House, one can always be inspired, educated, and empowered through exploration of groundbreaking creations and the best new ideas in this medium of art. We're proud to work with some of the most innovative digital artists in the world who are expanding the possibilities of art and how we experience it. Today, we're excited to share with you artworks by Tokyo-based artist Shohei Fujimoto. Fujimoto explores perception and space through the minimal and precise use of controlled light. Intangible Forms showcases immersive installations created using elements that can be experienced but not touched. Light and sound are manipulated in a delicate balance between presence and absence. The resulting sensory experience enables audiences to focus on their core universal sense. This common thread unites all living things in nature and can also be seen in how we have reflected ourselves in the technology we have built. Thank you for joining us at the intersection of art, science, and technology. We hope you enjoy the immersive digital installation, Intangible Forms. During your experience, please keep in mind the following safety information. The installations utilize powerful lasers and light beams. All of the technology used is safe as long as you follow safety guidelines. For your safety, be aware of your surroundings and do not cross or reach over any of the barriers. Please do not touch or look directly into a laser. This will be harmful to you. If you're visiting us with children, you're required to stay with them to ensure their safety. As you explore Artech House, here are some house rules. Respect the artwork and others sharing the space with you. Speak quietly and walk slowly. Children must be supervised by an adult at all times. No outside food or drinks. No smoking or vaping. Capture your memories with photos and video, but no flash. Honor the artist's copyright. Photos and videos are for personal use only. Step inside with an open mind to explore a new form of art, science, and technology.